Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to choose your trusted contacts on Facebook. Let's have a look. First, open Facebook app. Tap three horizontal lines on top right. Scroll down a little bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. From Security section, tap Security and Login. Again, scroll down a little bit and you'll find Setting up extra security. Your trusted contacts can send a code and URL from Facebook to help you log back in. Tap Choose 3 to 5 friends to contact if you get locked out. Choose your trusted contacts. Trusted contacts are friends that can securely help if you ever have trouble accessing your account. Read below information and tap Choose Trusted Contacts. For your security, please re-enter your password to make sure it's you. Enter your Facebook password and tap Continue. Again, tap Choose Trusted Contacts. Enter the names of people you wanted as your trusted contacts. You have to enter at least 3 contacts. I have entered 3 contacts. Tap Done on top right. That's it. Go back and check your trusted contacts. Trusted contacts added. By tap on Edit button, you can add or remove trusted contacts from this list. If needed, you can remove all together. So these are the steps to choose your trusted contacts on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.